Yes, an equation is provided for us to be balanced in electron method, and it is consisting of Cl2O7 plus hydrogen peroxide in presence of basic medium is converted to ClO2 minus followed by O2. Whereas here chlorine maintains plus 7 as oxidation state, whereas here chlorine maintains what? Plus 5 as oxidation state. It is not plus 5, it is plus 3 is the oxidation state. So therefore from here to here decrement, that is reduction, and here minus 1 is converted to 0 implies increment, that is what? Oxidation. Oxidation half reaction, if I write separately, that is hydrogen peroxide is converted to O2, whereas reduction half reaction, that is Cl2O2 is converted to ClO2 minus 1, ClO2 minus 1. Whereas to balance, oxygens are got balanced because it is basic medium. Here lack of two hydrogens, that is 2H2O followed by 2OH minus. Hence the net equation is here hydrogen peroxide plus 2OH minus is converted to O2 followed by 2H2O. This is balanced format. Whereas 2B get balanced in terms of charges also. This net equation becomes hydrogen peroxide plus 2OH minus S are converted to O2 followed by 2H2O followed by how many electrons? 2 electron system. This is oxidation. Similarly, for the reduction part, 2 chlorines were expecting, hence here 2 ClO2, and here it is having 4 oxygens, here it is having 3 oxygens, implies this is 3H2O. If it is 3H2O, 3 plus 4 it will become 7. Now if I go for the hydrogens, 6 hydrogens and 0 hydrogens, to get hydrogen equivalence, this is 6 water followed by here what? 12 OH minus. The net equation, it becomes the net grand equation will become Cl2O7 followed by here 3 water. If I ignore, this will become 3 water is converted to 2 ClO2 minus 1 followed by what? 12 OH minus. 12 OH minus. The net equation is like this, and if it is balanced in terms of charge, it appears as 0 charge is converted to ClO2 minus, such of ClO2 minus ClO2 plus 3 water is converted to 2 ClO2 plus 12 OHs. So therefore charge balance, if you make charge balanced equation will becomes as 0 charge is converted to this minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. If I ignore minus 2 minus 12 minus 14 minus 14. Yes, there is a small correction. If it is 6H2O, this will be what? 6OH minus, hence this will becomes 6OH minus. So 6OH minus, minus 6, minus 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 8, and is possible if it is gaining 8 electron system, hence it will reaches as Cl2O7 plus 3H2O plus 8 electrons combination is resulted as 2 ClO2 followed by 6OH minus. This will be the electron related balanced equation. We are claiming it as equation number 2. We are claiming it as equation number 1. To get the balanced format of equation, this should be multiplied by 2, this should be multiplied by 8. In order to not to make much nuisance, we are making 1 with 4 and 2 with 1. Adding these multiplied formats of equation 1 multiplied by 4, equation 2 multiplied by 1, 1 to other, it appears as equation on multiplying 1 with 4, it appears as 1 with 4 and 2 with 1. So 2 is as it is. 1 equation on multiplying with 4, this is 4 hydrogen peroxide plus 8 OH minus is converted to 4 O2 plus 8 H2O plus this is 8 electrons, that is also 8 electrons, hence I am not writing the second part. Equation 2 as it is, that is Cl2O7 plus 3H2O resulted as here 2 ClO2 plus 6 OH minus. Whereas the net equation resulted as components Cl2O7 as it is followed by 4 hydrogen peroxide as it is. If I go for the water here 3 and here 8 implies I can rewrite as what? 5, and OH minus as here 8 and here 6. If I ignore, I can write it as what? 2. That is plus 2 OH minus combinations resulted as 4 O2. How many O2s? 4 O2. 4 O2 followed by 2 ClO2 plus 5 water molecules, and this will becomes the balanced equation. Now the balanced equation is Cl2O7 on reaction with 4 molecules of hydrogen peroxide is plus 2 OH minus combinations is converted to 4 O2 plus 2 ClO2 minus 2 ClO2 minus plus 5 H2O molecules combination is going to be obtained.